Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Rivera and Santos. For Kamsur, it's Borbe magpantay, Ariate, and the two Malya shot clock. And Borbe, he scores on that 2 point. Kamsur now at the scoreboard. Here's Manalang, being guarded closely by Malyapre, na steal by Malyapre. Malyapre to the goal. Go. And Vince back to live action. Kamsur forcing a turnover. And now we have Borbe to the lane. Outside pass. Eugene Malyapre uses the window. Genmar Bragais on the left side. Passes it. Nice pick by Rivera. Picks it out. Bragais from the outside. And here's a 3-point shot. We have Vincent Malyapre at the left side. Borbe fakes. Borbe goes up and scores. Borbe now with 4 points from the foul line. That's good. Joseph Francisco nailing that jumper. Ball lands it off to Ariate. Ariate against Manaloto. Inside pass to Eugene Malyapre and Bragais with a block. But Kamsur gets it back. Borbe with a short jumper. And Borbe now has 7 in this ball game. Victoria, the spin move, he loses it. Borbe, forward pass. Medwin Ariate lays it in for 2 points. The back to Habonete, fires a 3 of the back rim. Redondo with a rebound. Almario tries a 3 and he scores. 3-point shot. Jake Munoz being pressured by Sablaon. Munoz nearly losing his balance. The floater is good for Jake Munoz. With 8 on the shot clock. Bragais drop pass inside. Pablo is denied. Points. Magpantay against Bragais. He escapes. Bragais magpantay to the goal. He scores. Berman magpantay. So now it's 22-11. Bragais looking to answer. He fakes. Turnaround shot over to Magtoy. Reception by Fabian. The forward pass. Bragais. Nice drop pass. But Abonete with a better deep. Ganya with the screen. Another screen by Ganya. Pick and roll. Ganya from the outside. Got it! CJ Ganya knocks down that. We are now in the second quarter of Game 5. Roniel Gomez to the goal. He scores. Roniel Gomez. Guys against Lumagtoy. Gomez on top. Short. And Magpantay grabs the miss. And a steal by Tikas. Bragais in traffic. Francisco for 2. It's here for Tikas to slice the gap. Inside to Bragais with a layup. And that's a place 3 for quarter. Kamsur has yet to score here in the second. As Khan with a crossover, zigzagging his way. Khan scores and 1. And Khan, look at this drive by Khan. The zigzag. And then the finish by Lancer Khan. And now we are tied at 24. It was Khan's first 2 of the game. Bonus shot falls. It's left in the second. Kamsur has yet to score here in the second quarter. Ariate passes inside. Eugene Malyapre, the leaner, is good.
Eugene Malyapre.
And that's the first 2. Isidro on top. No goal. And Victoria with the offensive rebound, but he is blocked. Here's Tikas Kapampangan. After that rebound by Victoria, Manalang zigzagging. Outside to Munoz. Khan from the corner. Got it! Answer Khan. Drains the 3-point shot. Passes to the wrong guy. Here's Khan. Khan across to Manalang. Manalang thinking 3. Passes it to Santos. Straight away 3. Around and in. Nico Santos connects from the outside. And Kamsur has scored. Borbe kicks it out. Ariate with 7 on the shot clock against Santos. He drives to the basket. The left is good. For Medwin Ariate. Crossover against Ariate. Outside pass. Nico Santos open for this three. Nico Santos, his second three of the against Jerome Almario, hands it off to Bragais. Bragais with 8 on the shot clock. The screen by Victoria. Bragais kicks it out. Munoz open from the left corner, too strong. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria scores and one. The home team with the basketball. Long two by Bragais is good to start off the third. Passes it to Habonete. The drive to the basket by Ariate for two. We have Manalang. Outside pass. Santos wide open for this one. That's a three. Nico Santos knocks down his... Ariate bounce pass to Almario. The jumper uses the window.
Jerome Almario.
And Jerome Almario. Manalang. Outside, Santos thinking three, but he chooses to pass it to Bragais. Bragais with the ball against Borbe. The pull up by Bragais is good. First shoots the running shot. And here's Bragais, bounce pass. Rivera. No look pass inside. Santos for 2 and 1. Shade Rivera with a beautiful pass. And now he's at 10.
13 down.
Look at the no-look pass to Santos for the deuce.
For Bansagon.
And now, bonus shot is good for Nico Santos. 5 on 4 advantage for Ticas. Can the drive inside. And Lancer can. Almario the inbounder. Bounce pass, Ariate wide open, using the window for two.
Ariate from Jerome Almario.
Ariate with 10. Scoreless here in game 5. Lancer Khan with the ball. The drive, the spin move, the drop pass. Francisco scores! What a play by Lancer Khan! The shot, it drops for Almario. Abonete. Guarded by Francisco. Looking to attack once again. To the paint. Habonete with a short stab. And that's actually too strong. And here's Ariate. Ariate against Manalang. The drive. No look pass. The wraparound to Habonete. And one. And now Kamsur can touch to nothing run as you watch this wraparound pass. Habonete the ball fake.
For the bonus.
And then the basket. Look at the highlight play, the pump fake by Habonete. And then the conversion. And now Habonete can tie 4-53 in favor of Ticas. Manalang is good. That's the first 2 points of Jasper Manalang. And there's a foul. And look at the reaction. Look at Manalang. Look at that drive over 2 defenders. And he was able to convert. And look at Manalang. Looking at John Habonete for Jasper Manalang. And he converts that free throw. That was Manalang's first 3 points. Ariate to Habonete against Nico Santos. Habonete looking to attack. Passes it to Magpantay against Ganya. Magpantay tries a 3-point shot. Around and in.
Herman Magpantay.
Herman Magpantay nails that 3-point shot. Jenmar Bragais takes this 3. He answers. Jenmar Bragais from downtown. And now a 6-point lead for Ticas. Crossover by Almario. Steps back. 3-point shot. And Jerome Almario nails that one. Can the drive inside. Can the left-handed layup. Using the window for 2. Lancer Can delivering here to start the fourth. Ariate has it. 8 on the shot clock. Magpantay straight away. 3. He got it. And we are tied at 64. Herman Magpantay. They go inside to Victoria for Ticas against Maliapre. Turnaround. 100 is good. Ariate with 8 on the shot clock. They go to Magpantay again. 3-point shot once again. Herman One magpantay. Back-to-back threes. Camsor. After that rebound by Borbe, they are running. Almario kicks it out to Sablaon. Sablaon, running shot. It drops.
And Sablaon.
Sablaon with a running shot. That is his first two. Yeah. Loses it. Sablaon with a steal. Sablaon escapes Manalang. Sablaon the drive, the layup is good.
And Sablaon plays
That's a base three for Bang Sablaon. No go. And Camsor will set up a play. Sablaon to Abonete. Passes it to Almario. The lob inside. And the finish. Alley-oop play
from zero.
to Abonete. Game 5. Ariate wants the screen. 3-point shot by Ariate. He knocks down the three. And Camsur has increased the lead to 7. And Manalang with a steal. The drop pass. Santos for two. And Dicas sa Kapampangan able to score quickly. Down to a 4-point lead. Abonete. Santos to beat. And Camsor gets an opportunity as Almario scoring on, set things up for Dicas. They trail by 6. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Manalang wide open. 4-3. Manalang. Listen to the fans. Abonete loses it. It's going to be Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock. And Bragais wants Coach Jeff Chan to challenge that call. And they will challenge that out of bounds call. Shot clock. Borbe has it. To shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Camsur with a foul.
Foul number 7, Melvin Ariate, penalty.
The foul is on Ariate. And that will send Ticas to the line. Watch the play. Borbe with a 3 with a shot clock winding down. And then look at Ganya. And then Ariate with a push. This will send Ganya to the line. And looks like Ganya will take a free 3. This is a free 3. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game. And we have seen Ganya hit his free 3s. Ganya, free 3 is good! Ariate has it. Guarded by Manalang, 10 on the shot clock. They go to Abonete. Pass. Almario wide open. 4-3! Camsur with a huge display. The last second pass by Abonete. And Almario, who again did not play in the game, in game 4, knocking down that tray. Mario, Bragais, still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound, the tip won't work. Camsur has it, and there is going to be a foul on Ticas with 33 seconds remaining.
Foul number 18, Renzo Victoria, penalty, big foul.
Foul on Renzo Victoria as we watch the fadeaway. That was a tough 3 by Genmar Bragais, and then the crucial rebound by Ariate. And now Ariate have a chance to increase this lead. 33.7 seconds. Ariate first free throw, it goes in. Ariate escapes the defense, bounce pass. Sablaon, Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, magpantay. Clock winding down. Almario still has the ball. Coach Jeff Chan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with Sur. Watch it again. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Khan with 7.5 seconds Still a lot of time, but again the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. Close. No good in the first. 7.5 seconds from this crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout with 7 points. Braga is the inbounder. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Braga is still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Braga is throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion. The Express have won it on the road.
18-4.